Happy New Year's, educators! We are so excited to be going into 2020 with you, and we have a dynamite January kit for kindergarten, first, and second grade educators. Our kit is called Farming in a Glove. And I absolutely love that this is a January lesson, because what it's going to do is it's going to utilize the sun to grow our seeds into sprouts. And doing this in the winter just kind of sets students up for how long this process takes, so that when summer gets there and they start seeing the fields being planted, they already have a great idea about how seeds get going and get started. What this kit entails is, all of our kits contain a lesson plan. So a folder comes to you with a lesson plan, and then any printables that you're going to need for your lesson is in here. So any charts, or I know there's cards in here, plant cards and seed cards, so kids can match what the seed and the plant look like. This is great stuff. Also in here, we always have an invitation for you to send us any photos that you have of your lesson, so that we can utilize those and share those with other educators and get them inspired to do the same. So we have our lesson plan folder, and then all of our goodies that you are going to work with. So in this baggie, we've got our cotton balls and our plastic gloves for you to grow your farm in. And then my favorite part about this lesson is it has 5 different types of seeds. So we have alfalfa in here, and we have oats and wheat and soybeans, and my favorite part for all your students, we have popcorn seeds. So they are going to be able to see the difference in how long it takes for these seeds to sprout and what those sprouts actually look like. So it's so much higher thinking when they can see and have to, differentiate between the different types of seeds and sprouts. It's great. But we know that this activity is dynamite. Hands-on learning is always exciting. But we know you guys are dedicated to increasing your literacy with your students. And we're dedicated to increasing ag literacy with our students. So we want to work together with you on that. We've provided you with 2 amazing children's books. This one here is Sadie's Seed Adventures, and it's about a little girl who finds a cocklebur on her dog. And she asks, how did that cocklebur get there? And what is a cocklebur? And she learns from her friend here, when they put on their adventure hats, that they shrink down and they travel like a seed would travel. So it talks about the wind, and it talks about attaching to animals and water and all that good stuff. So it's a really great story about how seeds get from place to place. And then this beautiful book is called A Seed is Sleepy, and the illustrations are absolutely beautiful. But this is really neat because it talks about how there are hundreds of thousands of different seeds and how they travel as well. And it goes through, how flower seeds are started, but then it also talks about different fruits and how some seeds are naked. I'm sure that'll be a really fun one for you and your kindergarten, first and second grade. But it talks about pine cones, and then it also talks about, again, how seeds travel, and another fun topic about how seeds travel. This is a beautifully done book. One of my favorite pages here is where it talks about what a seed looks like. So there's all these different types of seeds, but then also what they look like throughout the different weeks. So again, just really talking through with your students about how seeds come in all different colors and shapes and sizes. They all produce different types of plants, and they all take a certain amount of time to get from seed to fruit. Dynamite resources just waiting for you. What you need to do to get your hands on one of these amazing kits is contact the closest regional curriculum specialist to you. And you can find that by going to our website, mn.agclassroom.org. Click on the staff button and you'll be able to find who's closest to you that can send you this dynamite kit. Please let us know if you have any questions, and we'll be happy to take care of you this January. We hope you have a great new year and a great finish to your school year. Finish strong. Have a good one.